Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. Sugadang Sugadang Siddhang Kusalang Kusalang Jahang Amadang Amadang Sandang Asama Asaman Dadang Saranang Saranang Lokang. Until there we finish. Now Arana Arana Karang. Arana. Arana. I is Arana will connect with the Nayaka. Our main sentence is Nayaka Name or Name Nayaka. Salute the leader. Salute the leader. Arana is the adjective of Nayaka. Arana Nayaka Name. Connection will be like that. Arana Nayaka Name. I is no, Rana is that. That. No doubt. No doubt. So Nayakan, the leader, who has no doubt. Who has no doubt. Or the leader with no doubt. Or the leader of no doubt. What is a doubt? In Myanmar definition, Kilesa Dihudo, which is a Kilesa. Which is a Kilesa. That means Kilesa. The leader with no doubt, which is a Kilesa. The leader with no doubt of Kilesa. Because of being watched. Because of being watched by Arahata Mega pure water. By the water which is pure. By the water of Arahata Mega which is pure. Like that. My translation is long. So which is no doubt, or with no doubt, which is a kilesa. Because of being washed by pure water of Arahata Mega. So Arahata Mega is like a pure water. Kilesa is like a doubt. So the doubt is washed by pure water. Because of this, no doubt. So in this way, Myanmar translation will be very long. So you need to know which is the important one, like that, although it is long. Okay, this is episode we need to read and I is no. Oh, Rana is doubt. Next one. Next one is Arana Karan. Arana will connect with the Karan. Karan will connect with the Nayaka. Nayaka, the leader. Karan, who make. Karan is who make. The leader who make. Who make what? Arana. Who make that. That wide who make no doubt. Who make no doubt in the all beings, in the beings, within the being, who are suitable to be admonished, not for everyone. Some beings who is worthy to be admonished. So Karan is who make. Adjective of Nayaka. Karan who make. Who make the being to have no doubt. Okay. So it is Arana Karan. So if so, need to read Arana Karan. May not read Arana. So first Arana will connect directly to the Nayaka. Second Arana will connect with the Karan. Karan will connect with the Nayaka. Arana will not connect with the Nayaka. Next one, Abhaya. First Abhaya is will connect with the Nayaka. I is no. Bhaya is danger. Something terrifying. May translate danger. No danger. But it refers to Nayaka. So because of this, you have to translate the leader which has no danger. What danger? Such as Jadi, rebirth, Jara, aging, Vyadi, sickness, Marana, and death. So it is a danger. Danger means rebirth, aging, sickness, and death, etc. It is no. So the leader Buddha, who has no danger, such as Jadi, Jara, Vyadi, Marana, etc. So we have to translate which has, who has, like that. It is the nature of samasa. Bahobihi samasa. So if two words are combined, it is called samasa. So if a combine word to word, word to word, so it is called samasa. Samasa have a few types. If we have to translate who has, which has, and this kind of samasa is called abhyayi bhava samasa, like Anguli Mala. So Anguli Mala, it is the name of Bhasha. So you have to translate who has. Finger, flower garland. So I is one word, Bhaya is one word, two words. Some are not two words, word and suffix. Word and suffix. Like that. Karuna is a compassion. You put behind ika. Karunika. So it is word and suffix. We call it in Bali Bachaya. Karunika is the one who has compassion. Who has compassion. So Karuna is a word. Karuna is a word. But ika is not the word. Ika is just a suffix. Pachaya. In English, we call it suffix. In Bali, pachaya. Suffix cannot be used itself. Must join with the word. Like a meditate. It is a word. Meditation. Shin. So it is not a word. So it is a suffix. And so word and word joining is called samasa. Word and suffix. If so, it is, we call it tadida. Tadida. Word and suffix. Okay, next one, abhayantana. Next one, abhayantana. Oh, abhayantana nayaka. Oh, this one, three words. The group of three words. Abhayantana nayaka. Nayaka is Nayaka will connect with the Nayaka. First Nayaka will connect with the second Nayaka. Yeah, second Nayaka is a leader. First Nayaka is who bring. Who bring where? Who bring to where? Who bring Tana? Tana is location, the place, like a sender. So Tana, who bring the place? What place? So here, for that question, put the place of Nirvana. Tana is the place of Nirvana. So actually Tana is the place, just that. I say the meaning of what? If so, someone may ask, what is a place? Place is here means Nirvana. So the place of Nirvana. Who bring the place of Nirvana? So Tana will connect with the first Nayaka. Who bring Tana, the place of Nirvana? Abhayan will connect with the Tana, which has no danger. Abhayan is the adjective of Tana, means no danger place. No danger place means Nirvana. So, okay, second Nayaka. Second Nayaka is the leader. First Nayaka, who bring Abhayantana, no danger place. If you want to know what is a no danger place, you put which is a Nirvana. Like that. So Abhayan will connect with the Tana. Tana will connect with the first Nayaka. First Nayaka will connect with the second Nayaka. It is a connection. So here I have a saying, who bring no danger place. So what is the way to bring? How to bring? The Buddha may not bring by putting on his shoulder. So what is the way of bringing? In the Myanmar translation, it is put. It is written. So by giving admonishment, by showing the way to get Megaphala Jnana for the beings. It is the way to bring. So in the translation, Nayakan meaning is quite long. Nayakan who bring by giving admonishment, by giving guidance to get Megaphala for the being. This is the way of bringing. So not by putting on the shoulder. Okay. So if so, this one finished, right? Finished. So if you want to cut this sentence to be short, Nayakaname. This is the main one. I salute the leader. Just like that. The others are adjective of the leader. Also can say Buddha's quality. So if you want to do Buddha nosity, you can reflect these qualities one after another. You know, one after another. So sometimes you may have difficulties in Anapana. So if so, you can reflect some forget. So have to think in this way, 1 hour while we full. Okay, so we will move the next one. Nayana Suvaga Kayangan Madura Vara Saro Bedan Amida Gunagana Dara Dasavala Madula one day. Okay, one day. One day and name is the same. One day, one dami. Sometimes you can say one day, sometimes one dami. Originally one dami. Me become a. So become one day. So me become a one day wonder me like a gichami. Because of the subject is I. Aha. Aha wonder me. I salute. But not put aha. By seeing wonder me, we can know what is the subject because of me. And me always join aha, me, I, like that. I salute. I pay homage. I pay respect. I bow down. Okay. It is a one day wonder me. For the I, you put aha, aha. But not in the Pali, but you can know, although not, it is not in the Pali. So Bali can write without subject, but you can guess subject. So in the translation, we put I, one day wonder me, salute. Salute to whom? Salute to whom? So Dasa Balan. So the translator choose Dasabalan as a noun instead of choosing Adula. Actually, you can also choose Adula. If one is a noun, the others are adjective. The others are adjective. You may choose Adula, you may choose Dasabalan. It is quite okay. But normally, you may choose the last one, Adula. But here, Pausiaroji, he chose Dasabalan as a main. Dasa is 10, Bala is a power. But the translation should not be just 10 power. I salute 10 power. Not like that. Because normally you will not salute 10 power. So so yeah, original name of Timbawa is the Buddha has 10 power. So his quality. But later change it to the person. At that time, you have to translate who has 10 power. It is become Buddha's name. Because of Buddha have this 10 power. So Dasabla original name is the name of 10 power. But later people call to the Buddha. Dasabala, 10 power. At that time, your translation is changed. Who has 10 power? If you just say 10 power, so it is different than the name of 10 power. If you say who has a 10 power, it is the Buddha's 5 aggregate. So the Buddha, as a concept, the Buddha, as a ultimate reality, it is 5 aggregates. So here, because of this is a Bohobi Samasa. So because of Bohobi Samasa, you have to put who has. It is a you shall. Who has 10 power? The one who has 10 power. The one with 10 power. The one of 10 power. Yeah. So I salute the one who has 10 power. So when Dasa Bala Madula is Dasa Bala Adula. You get the word in this word. So M under dot become Ma. So Dasa Bala Adula. So in English like that, I am become I'm. So so it is called joining. And so in Bali, Sandi, Dasabala Adula. If you want to join, Dasabala Madula. If you want to cut, Dasabalam Adula. So for saying, do be smooth, you have to join. Like some English, I want to go, they say, I want to go, something like that. So I want to go, I'm gonna go. So because I do be smooth. But if you want to translate, if you want to find it in a dictionary, you have to cut off. I want to go, or like that. Only in this way you can find in a dictionary. So just wanna kind of find. In the same way, Dasabala Adula. Okay. Dasabala is the name of Buddha. In this case, you cannot translate 10 power. Who has a 10 power? Okay. So first adjective is Nayana Subhaga Kayangan. Subhaga Kayangan. Here are many words. Nayana is I. Nayana is I. Subhaga. Subhaga, I'm not sure, but Subha is like a graceful. Kayanga. Gaya, inga. Gaya is a body. Inga is a limbs. Limb. Body limb, like a hand, a leg, head. So Nayana is eye. Subhaga is graceful, beautiful. Kaya is a body, Inga is a limb. So the same, this is a Bobi Hisamasa. You have to translate. Yeah. One day I salute Dasabala, the one with the 10 power. Nayana Subhaga Kayangan, who has body limbs. Subhaga, which is a beautiful. Nayana, for the eye. For the eye. Yeah, beautiful is for the eye. So Nayana Subhaga, beautiful for the eye. Means the Buddha's appearance, very beautiful. Nayana Subhaga Kayanga, who has body limb, which is beautiful or graceful for the eye. For the eye. Beautiful is for the eye. So, but in the Myanmar translation, beautiful means because of 32 major signs, 80 minor signs. Because of that, it is beautiful. The Buddha has 32 major signs, 80 minor signs. So because of this, it is beautiful. So beautiful for the eye. So good to see like that. Okay. So Nayana Subhaga Kayangan will connect with the Dasabala. Will connect with the Dasabala. Kaya Nayana Subhaga Kayangan. Kaya Inga. You may do like that limb of a body or body limb. So in between, you need to connect off limb of a body. Subhaka, it is okay, beautiful, adjective. So if you want to say just a short form, beautiful body, if so, beautiful is in front, body is behind, beautiful body. But here a bit long, beautiful for the eye. If so, you have to keep it behind. So body limb, beautiful for the eye. You have to connect from the behind. Or body limb, which is beautiful for the eye. So you have to connect from behind. And so you cannot say from the beginning, like I'm beautiful body limb. Not like that. No, I am beautiful, no connection. I am beautiful, normally no connection directly. Because I is a noun, beautiful is an adjective. So to have a connection, in between, you have to put a for. Beautiful for the eye. So in this way, we can get for the Pali. So in between, what preposition we should put? Beautiful for the eye. So for is for connection. So Nayana Subhaga, so cannot connect. Normally cannot connect. Not mean a beautiful eye. Beautiful will connect the body. So because of this, beautiful need to be near to be body. Body limb, beautiful, like that. After that, to connect with the eye, you need to put a for in between. For the eye, beautiful for the eye, like that. Okay, it is the adjective of Dasabala. Next one. Madura Vara Sarobeta. Madura Vara Sarobeta is Madura one word, Vara one word, Sara. Sara is one word. Sarobeta, if you got Sara Ubeta. Sarobeta, Sara Ubeta. Sarobeta, Sara Ubeta. If Sara, you join Sara Ubeta, who become all. Who become all. So Sarobeta. But if you want to translate, you have to cut the word. Sarobeta, Sara Ubeta. Okay, if you want to find in the dictionary, have to find Ubeta. Okay, so this is a part of grammar how to cut off. For example, I am, don't, do not, like that. Shouldn't, should not, something like that. So you must know how to cut. So for that, you have to practice when you learn grammar. So ubeda is a completed. Ubeda is completed or endowed. Endowed with what? Sara, sound. Endowed with sound. Ubeda is endowed with. Sara is a sound. So, Vara is a superior. Vara is a superior. So Madura is sweet. Madura is a sweet. Like a Chadu Madu. Chadu Madu is originally Chadu Madura. Chadu is a 4. Madura is a sweet one. 4 sweet one is a Chadu Madu. So Ubeda endowed. Sara is a sound. Endowed and sound, no connection. So to have a connection, you have to put preposition in between with, endowed with a sound, which is a superior, which is a sweet. Superior and sweet. So endowed with a sound, with a sweet and superior sound. You can also do like that. With a sweet and superior sound, or with a sound which is sweet and superior, like a Brahma's voice. Like, this is a Myanmar input in the Myanmar translation. Like a Brahma's voice. So Brahma's voice is maybe very good, sweet and superior. So this one also adjective of Dasabala. So previous one is showing a bodily appearance. The Buddha's body appearance is very beautiful for the eye. And this time is have a sweet and superior sound. Sweet and superior sound. Next one. Amida Guna Ganadara. Guna Ganadara. Amida. A is not. Na are the same. No. Mita is measured. Guna is a quality. Gana is a group. Adara is a existing place. Existing adara. Adara is existing, located, getting adara. Adara. Locating. Gana is a group. Guna is a quality. Group and quality. To have a connection, you should put off in between. Group of quality. Group of quality. Amida, which is unmeasurable. Which is unmeasurable. Or you may do locating, existing, the group of quality which is unmeasurable, or the group of unmeasurable qualities. Okay, so the Buddha body is location or existing in place of the group of unmeasurable qualities. So what are qualities? So in Myanmar translation, Sila quality, Samadhi quality, Panya quality. No one can measure with the Buddha. Because of this, Amida Guna, unmeasurable quality. Okay, so this is also adjective of Dasabala. We'll connect with the Dasabala. Okay, next one. Adulan. Adulan is peerless. I is no. Dula is like a peer. No peer, peerless. So no similar one. No similar one. Because of Sila Samadhi, etc. So like a Devadatta want to be Buddha, but they cannot be. In the same way, other religion deities, and they want to be like a Buddha, but they cannot be. So the Buddha is Atula, fearless. Okay, fearless, fearless one. So, okay, this one also finished. So, okay. So main sentence is just Atulan one day or Dasavalan one day. This is the main sentence. So Namaskara is quite simple, just a verb and object. The others are adjective. Adjective. So, but many adjective. If you have a lot of quality, so before you are named, a lot of qualities, putting. So, yeah, sometimes in Myanmar, in a wedding ceremony, they write invitation card, invitation letter. So, invitation letter. So the I don't know how to call it, pride or like a husband to be, wife to be. I may say that. So in front of their name may have many qualities. Who is nephew of who and who, son of who and who, younger brother of who and who, like that. Because all famous people in front. So after finishing reading, you may not know who is his name. So because of many quality. Okay, next one. Your Buddha, Diti Minya Darako, Sansare, Anubosi Kayika, Dokkan, Chetasikin Cha Lokato, Dan, one day, Naradewa Mingala. Okay, this one not so simple. Your Buddha, Diti Minya Darako, Sansare, Anubosi Kayika, Dokkan, Chetasikin Cha. So you need to find main verb first. This is the nature of Bali. Maybe English also the same. So which is the verb? Anubosi. Anubosi. Anubosi is safad. Anubosi is Nubosi can be said safad. Safa, suffering, like that. Safad. It is a past tense. Past tense. Safad. So, anubosi. If a present, a new body, a new body, or new body. Here, a new bossy. So behind. Usually the behind of the word need to be careful. So because new body is present tense, a new bossy, it is a past tense. Suffered. Who suffered? Your Buddha. Your is just a feeling word, means a Buddha. Because of Bali usage. Buddha. The Buddha, Buddha is a subject because of Buddha. If it is an object, Buddham. Buddham. So this is because of subject, Buddha. Like that. So for the Bali, the place is not important. Not like in English. English is SVO. Subject, verb, and object. But for the Bali, SOV also okay. SVO also okay. So place is not important. What is important is the form. Form, Buddha or Buddha. If it is a Buddha, it is a subject. If it is a Buddham, it is an object. So here Buddha, so subject. So Buddha will connect with the Anubosi. Buddha is a subject, and Anubosi is a verb. So Buddha, the Buddha, Anubosi suffered. This is the main sentence. So suffered. So how is it? Didi menya darako. Didi ma inya darako. Didi ma inya darako. And Didi ma is who has a samadhi. So like a stability. Who has a stability? Didi ima. Like a Chandima. They are the same group. So the same group. Didima, Chandima, those are the same group. So who has a Didi? Who has a Didi means who has a stability. The Buddha, if so, Didima will connect with the Buddha. Didima is the adjective of a Buddha. The Buddha who has stability. So why having stability? So because of being unshakable, Aita Loka Dhamma, agreeable, the worldly nature, Anaita Loka Dhamma, disagreeable, worldly nature. So Didima, who has a stability, because of being unshakable because of agreeable Loka Dhamma, disagreeable Loka Dhamma. So agreeable Loka Dhamma, disagreeable Loka Dhamma means like a gain and lose, lava alava, yasa ayasa, many followers and lonely, nindambasana, blame and praise, sukha and dukkha, happiness and suffering. Those are Loka Dhamma, worldly nature, worldly condition. So eight worldly condition. So because of those, then the Buddha is unshakable. So because of this, the Buddha is a Didima, who has stability. Because of being unshakable, based on Loka Dhamma. So for many people, gain and lose, the mind is shakable. Happiness and suffering, blame and praise, many followers and lonely. So these are worldly conditions, 8 worldly conditions. So because of this, the Buddha is unshakable. So 4 are agreeable, 4 are disagreeable. This is one thing. Another one is because of storm of wrong view, because of storm of opposite persons, opposite religion's wrong view. Sometimes wrong view blow to you. So for the normal people, if other people say wrong view, so become shakable. So sometimes as a Buddhist, yeah, I do dana for the next year. So some other people may ask, have you seen? I do dana because do be good for the next life. So other people may say, have you seen the next life? If they blow and this kind of storm, maybe shakable. Maybe. may not have a next life, may have a next life, like that. So for the Buddha, although someone blow the storm of wrong view, unshakable, like that, unshakable. So unshakable because of agreeable and disagreeable, loka dhamma, unshakable because of wrong view storm. Wrong view storm. Like Mount Meru, which is unshakable because of storm coming in from 4 directions. Like Mount Meru never shake. So because of wind coming in from 4 directions. So translation will be very long if you put it in this way. It is the translation of Didima. So if you want to cut it shortly, just you do, who has a stability. Who has a stability. Because of being unshakable, based on disagreeable and disagreeable bodily conditions and wrong view storm. Just as Mount Meru, which is unshakable, blown by wind, coming in from different directions, coming in from 4 directions, like that. Okay, this is a Didima. Didima will connect with the Buddha. Next one is Inya Darago. Inya Darago. Darago is who can bring. It is also adjective of a Buddha because it is a Darago, Buddha, the same sound. So because of the same sound, because of form, we can know it is adjective. Also because of meaning. So which can bring or bearer of. Who is a bearer of? Inya. Inya is Arahata Phala. Inya is Arahata Phala. So Inya Darago. Who is the bearer of Arahata Phala? It is the adjective of a Buddha. So 2 adjectives. Didima, Inya Darago. Okay, this is a subject group. Buddha, Didima, Inya Darago. This is all a subject group. So I connect with the Anubosi, Safad. So in English, suffered from maybe, but here, suffered what? Kayikan Dokkan, bodily suffering. Kayikan is a Kaya and Ika. Kaya is a body. Ika is, which is arising. Ika is a suffix. So Kayikan Dokkan. Dokkan is a suffering. Kayika, which is arising in the body or arising in the body. Chetasika, cha. Cha is also. Chetasika is cheta and ika. Sa is just coming, arising in the mind. Dukkha, suffering, kayika, which is arising in the body. Chetasika, cha. And also arising in the mind. Means bodily and mentally suffering. Anubosi, suffered. Kayikan Dukkha, bodily suffering. Chetasikan Dukkha, mental suffering. Why? Why the Buddha has to suffer? Lokato, because of the word. Because of the word. So, world means being, Satta Loka. Water means a being because of the world. No, because of wishing to save the world. So, samsara in the samsara. In the samsara. Samsara is like a rising, approaching, life after life. It is a samsara. In the cycle or rebirth. So Anubosi suffered. Who suffered? Buddha, Didima, Inyadarago. Which does the Buddha suffer? Or which did the Buddha suffer? For the English, you may put from. Which did the Buddha suffer from? Kayikan dukkha, cetasikan dukkha. Bodily and mentally suffering. Why? Lokado. Where? Sansara. In the samsara. Okay. Then one day, Naradeva Mangala. One day, Wundami. Salute. Who salute? You put aha. I salute. To whom? Then that one. That one means Buddha. Buddha, Didima, Inyadarakan. Okay. I salute that one, Naradeva Mangala, who is a blessing of. Mangala is a blessing. Nara is a human. Deva is a deity. Deva, deity. So then that one, Naradeva Mangala, who is a blessing of human and Deva, human and deity. So Naradeva Mangala is the adjective of Dan. Because of this, have the same sound, Dan, Naradeva Mangala. So one day, I salute Dan, that one, Naradeva Mangala, who is the blessing of human and Deva. Okay. So two sentences. First sentence is want to make the adjective of Dan. Adjective of Dan. So means the Buddha has suffered bodily and mentally suffering because of wishing to save the world. I salute that Buddha, who is the blessing of human and Deva. Okay, we should stop here. So we share merit. Repeat after me. Idame Bonyam Naivanasa Sachayo Hodu Mama Bonya Bhagam Sava Satanam Pajemi Kesabe Nesamam Bonya Bhagam Lavandu Sadhu Sadhu Sadhu